You've seen better days, haven't you? But you're still a beauty. All right, let's bring this beauty back to life. All right, hook is in. Check the anchor point. All right, rope loop, connect. Keep it steady. Slowly. That's good. Almost there. Looks secure. Just need to check the front one more time. Perfect. All right, old girl. Welcome home. Looks like we have a lot of work ahead of us, but we'll get you running again. Okay, let's take a look. It's coming off. Perfect. Ready to see inside? Okay, that's it. Got the bolts loose. Yeah. Coming out now. There, just as expected. All right, this clamp is really stuck.
Careful with that brittle wire.
Got it, now for the electrical. Looks pretty corroded. Almost there. Careful with that.
Got it.
Got it. Perfect. Time to get this beast back in shape. Just a bit more filler to make it perfect. Looking good, smooth as glass. Time for a fresh start, old girl. Perfect fit. The structure is sound. Let's begin. The readings are looking much better now. The chassis is responding well to the adjustments. Wipe it down, make sure it's clean. Perfectly aligned.
That's a perfect fit.
Ready for the road. All right, just one more connection. There. And we have liftoff. All right, fuel system connected. Just need to tighten this one. This should do it. Perfect. Perfect. That's the last of it. outstanding. The depth in this paint is remarkable. Perfect. She's ready. The best she's ever looked. Perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Every detail just right. Perfect. She is absolutely pristine now. Absolutely breathtaking. Every last detail, down to the chrome. Now that's what I call perfection. Here we go. Beautiful. Enjoy the drive. Oh yeah. This is the best. Incredible.